Soil judging contests are really one of the few opportunities that undergraduates have to really get out in the field and just be in total soil immersion for an entire week. It's one of the greatest memories I have of all of my time at the University of Minnesota. Soil judging is the competitive field-based assessment of soil for its morphology, its properties, and its appropriate uses. And so we meet as a team every week to get together and practice the skills that go into assessing a soil pit. What we're doing right now is sort of deciding where each of the layers stop and start, and then collecting samples from each layer to understand their texture, a little bit about their structure, so that we can build the story of the soil from top to bottom. Soil judging really demands your attention. That close eye for detail, that drive for quality, and also building intuition is something that any student can take with them. Soil is what sustains us. It's what we stand on. It's where our food comes from. It's how we build the infrastructure that supports our day-to-day life. And if we really take the time to get to know the story of all of the layers of soil, then we can really understand sort of how the ground that's underneath our feet came to be.